So Al, we're here right now. We're one level lower than we were before. The view is nowhere near as nice. You definitely want to be up higher. It's not that big of a price difference. This one is a 3-bedroom, but it's actually smaller. The outside patio is larger. I don't know if you can see that here. But again, the view is, although spectacular still, it's not as
the pool has no chlorine.
Yeah, the pool has no chlorine. The pool is saltwater pool, the one that we saw upstairs. So this one is, the rooms are much smaller here. I mean, they're still big rooms, but so you wake up and you see those tennis courts. And then here is another room. Definitely, this is the smallest room we've seen in any of these. And out here, because you're at a sub-level on this side, you get still a lot of light, but definitely not where you want to be. I can tell, Al, you would not like this one. This is the living room. Again, not as nice of a view. Only stand-up shower in this, where the other one has jacuzzi tubs. That's the front door, the entrance. And this kitchen is almost exactly like the other one. I don't have a lot of tape left, so I just wanted to, so I don't make this too long. Okay, so this is the hallway, and this is the master bedroom that is actually not connected to the master, but it does have a jacuzzi tub. And then you have another room that's really odd shaped and does not have a nice of a, that is a pretty nice view actually, but you'd have to be at the side. And then this one also has, yeah, I wouldn't even call this the master because it's really small. I don't know if you can see. It's like at an angle. I'll turn this way. So I would definitely advise the other one. This one is $279, and I think the other one is $3. Este é 279?
Não, 274.
264 e o outro é 307, ok?